My name is Markanda. I am here to tell about VDL in the Python program class. Today's topic is nested conditions. The sampling problem is sample experiment. A equal to A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to 10. Given the numbers, using the additions to the which is the exponent is 2, which is the largest number. So it is A is greater than 1, B and A is greater than C. Statement is used. If A is greater than print A, thus if B is greater than A and C, then print